Hi students, today I am going to reveal the trick for projectile motion. You have to remember one equation, that is this one, y is equal to ax plus bx square. In this, a stands for tan theta and b stands for minus g by v naught cos square cos theta whole square into 2. This you have to remember. Now I am going to reveal the trick formula for time of flight. Time of flight, maximum height, and range. For this, remember this one, 1 plus 1 square is equal to 2. At the same time, 1 square plus 1 square is also equal to 2. Okay, you know this, b is equal to minus g by 2 v naught cos theta whole square. Whatever comes, the formula for this will be in sin theta. So first, reciprocal this, the reciprocal of b will be 1 by b will be 2 v naught cos theta whole square by minus g. Two things you have to remember. The formula for all of this will come in positive value, and whatever the formula will be in sin theta. So first add sin theta here. So the formula for this will be in sin theta. So write sin theta, and sin theta. Here what happened? 1 plus 1 square is equal to 2. So consider this one as sin theta. So sin theta square 2. So it will become sin 2 theta. Understood? Sin 2 theta. Next, here what is here? V naught. So we have to write V naught. We have to write V naught from downside. So V naught, V naught, V naught. Here what happened? Consider this one as V naught. So V naught square, and 2 V naught. And the reciprocal, we have to consider this V naught completed. Instead of cos theta, we had write sin theta, and whatever will be the positive value, niche means the denominator is g. So we have to write g. G completed. Next, what remained here? 2. In this equation, 2 we wrote here. No, we didn't write any 2 here. Here, sin 2 theta, 2 over. So here there is no 2. That's why I'm writing here 2. So the formula for this is time of flight 2 v naught sin theta by g, maximum height v naught square sin theta whole square by 2g, range v naught square sin 2 theta by g. In this way you have to remember the formulas in a easy way.